Hello, everybody. Okay. All right, I'm Melissa, and if you have had a support issue from the beginning of March on, you've gotten me. I've been the one who's been responding, so it's nice to put names with faces, and you guys see that I'm a real person and not a bot. All right, you can, if you go out to our website, turnkeytech.com, up in the right-hand corner, there's a client portal link. And what you can do is you can sign in. If you don't know your login, if you don't know you have a login, if you don't know the password, send support at turnkeytech.com and email. And we can get that set up for you. We can change the password. I can let you know what that information is. Okay? Once you log in, you get a whole bunch of different options that you can do. And one of those things is you can see all your support requests that come in that you've submitted. You can see what the status is, what's going on, the updates. I'm pretty good about details in the case notes, so you can see what I've done, you know, where I'm at with them, kind of thing. You can communicate with me. You can put notes in it yourself if you want to. If all of a sudden you've gotten it fixed, you can say, oh, I've gotten it fixed. Close. So you can close the case yourself. You don't have to wait for me to close it. But so you can manage your support requests. If you have projects going on with Turnkey, they're upgrading you from 2015 to 2018. You can actually see the project status, where the tasks are, the different levels, how many hours have been put into it, how many hours are left, those kind of things. Okay. You can sign up for fun events like today on there. So you go out there, you can see what events we have coming up. You can sign up for them. And you can update your information. If you know that you don't want us to call you, you can uncheck that. I can guarantee you I probably didn't know that that was available for everybody until I started looking at it. So, but you can enter, you know, if your phone number changed, if your email address is different, we add an H all of a sudden at the end of our email or website address or whatever, you know, that you can go in and update that information. You don't have to wait for us to ask you for it. You have control over it. And that actually updates our CRM system. So it's not hanging out there somewhere else in a different system. It's actually updating the information I see when I'm working on your support case, or that our consultants contact you. That's it. Support, you can submit support at turnkeytech.com. When you send an email, it does automatically create a CRM case. So that's definitely a way you can do it. You can enter it in on the portal. You can call.